one product wash and go. And the product I'll be using is dun, da, 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 the CarolsDaughter hair milk, the 4-in-1 combing cream. I'll be using this product, and it's supposed to ease detangling, enhance curl definition, enhance natural shine, and preps hair for perfect styling. But I'm just gonna use this. So no gel, no nothing, just this product right here. And I haven't used it yet. So my hair is from the previous video I did, that deep conditioning with me. So if you haven't seen that video, go check it out, because it made my hair super soft. My curls started popping, even though, you know, my hair kind of dried up. With warm water in here, because I do have low porosity here, so my hair dries up. Well, my hair's drying up because there's no product in there. Let me just say that. My hair's drying up because there's no product in my hair right now. I love CarolsDaughter products, guys. So when I saw this, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna have to try it out and see. I wasn't trying it out as a one product wash and go, but we gonna see how it turned out. Look at my hair already blended in. Now I'm just gonna make sure my hair is detangled. Even though I previously did it, we just wanna make sure. So this wash and go is gonna give me more volume, since I'm not using like a gel or anything. It's gonna give me more volume. It sure give me like a little curl definition, but it's gonna be volume more than anything. But this is what my curls looking like so far. I don't know how this gonna turn out, but hopefully it turns out good, because now I'm just gonna split this up right here. And when I do my wash and goes, I found that I get the more definition and product goes in my hair when I do the shingling method, so that's what I'm about to do. So for the shingling method, you just want to make sure your hair is detangled. So now that my hair is detangled, I'm gonna grab a little bit more of this product, not this much, put it throughout my hair. Roots to ends, roots to ends. Yeah, my frizz is gonna come out this on. So this is what my hair looks like. So comment below how you think this is gonna turn out. You think it's just want to do is take your time. Like, I knew that. Like, I used to rush when my wash and goes, and my wash and goes would just turn out not good. And once you take your time with it and love each piece, you will turn out with a bomb wash and go. Look at that curl, guys. even that's even with growing your hair. Like at first I was like, oh, my hair's not growing, but I was also, I mean, I don't have the best eating habits, I'm not gonna say that, but I also wasn't really taking care of it. At first, at one point, I was really taking care of my hair, and I was like, oh, my hair's not growing and stuff like that, but your hair does grow, honestly. My hair, right now, it seems like it's not growing, but it really is, because I blow dried it a couple days ago. Well, not a couple days ago. I blow dried it a little while ago, and my hair is growing. This is that sometimes you can't tell, but it's growing. And that's just from me being patient. Like, if I really came out with a hair routine, I know it would grow even more, but right now I'm just like, you know, I take care of my hair, but I'm not the best at it. You know, like I'm supposed to wash my hair on Monday, and it's, what, Thursday, and I'm just not washing my hair. So here, because right now I'm not doing such a good job at, you know, taking care of my hair. But once you come out with a routine, your hair grows, because it's like it's used to that one routine and you're being constant with it. I'm not constant. My hair still grows, but it will like really flourish if I was constant at doing this. But you know, I'm getting there here too. Because nowadays people just want to buy products. Oh, my hair's gonna grow if I buy this product. If I buy this oil, my hair's gonna grow. Yeah, your hair probably will grow, but it will grow even better if you come up with a hair routine and stuff like that. Hair routine, keep your scalp clean, moisturized, and I'm guaranteed your hair will grow. Guaranteed your hair will grow. So, my curls are popping though, I'm not going to lie. I just want to see how it's gonna look. Okay guys, so I'm done. This is what my hair looks like. It looks pretty good, I'm not going to lie. I just want to see how it looks when it dries. Now I'm just gonna put a little bit on the back, because the back is like that's like my driest part of my hair. I don't know if I just be forgetting it or what, but okay guys, so this is my hair after I got from under the dryer. It doesn't look like it's all the way dry. I feel like my roots are still wet a little bit, but this was the end result. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you'll always be notified when I post a video. I hope you guys enjoy. By the way, this video was pre-recorded. As you know, as some of you may know, I did cut my hair. So that footage will be coming next after this video. So that's going to be amazing. You guys will see my journey and everything. But